when you water leaking time, when you have to open this, you see here the back they have a screw. You have to move this screw. Hi guys, your washing machine have any problem like water leaking here? Sometimes this here is the water when the pressure, and this part is going to become broken. Then water is coming here, water leaking. And if you don't want to buy the new washing machine, you want to replace, then you can replace. Like you can buy this one. This one is $40. You can buy from eBay. Or let's see. I will try how is this working or no. Let's see. I'm going to remove this one, and I'm going to put the new one. Let's see. This is like I want to experience how is the working, and also save money. Buy this one maybe 500 or 600. I don't know, but if this one is okay, then it's only $40. Let's see. Let's see. First of all, you have to make sure the electric is out, and the water also you need to turn off. Make sure water is turned off. Okay, remove all this side on bottom. I can't find the bottom here. You see here, I can't see bottom. You have to this one out first. First you need to be careful on this. You have to move this. You can't use your hand. Use this. Let's see. Yes. So tight, huh? Yes. Actually, this one, some is the machine is this one part is not going inside. It's still here. Easy to you can move out this one, but this one you put inside the for the cover here cannot move out, and you have to be this two here, and here they have a screw. This two they have a screw. You have to move the screw out. Then you can move this one. You have to move this out. Usually when weather hit here, then this part is going to be damaged. Let's see. Okay. Something here. Now inside. Okay. Okay guys, finally I put this one. Let's see if successful or not. It's a little bit hard, but you have to be patient and you have to be how to say, and you have to be smart. Screw and put back. Okay, I'm going to put back this one. Okay, to use this. Okay, finish. I'm tired. Jogging is like this one. Just few minutes walk, like 10-15 minutes walk. Let's see if this is successful. Then you can save like 500 or more than 500. You can save $20 this one. Let's see. Now we have to put back the electric. The electric. Where is that? Oh, and where is the motor? We have to put back this one. Okay. And now I'm going to turn on water. Right, let's see. Okay, let's see. I turn on the. I already turn on. Let's see. This water is leaking or no? Yes. Now no more leaking oil. It's successful. See? Yes, let's see how long it is. But it's successful now, no more water leaking. Yeah guys, thank you for watching this video. If you want to save money, then you can do it yourself. It takes few times, but it is your experience, and also you can save a lot of money. And yes, thank you. Okay, see you, bye bye. Save money.